Hi everybody, welcome back to Frontier Patriot. I'm Ron Rayfield. Today we're going to talk about tomahawks, and I'm going to show you guys how to throw a tomahawk the proper way. Start by putting your back to your target and take 7 regular steps. This is a good starting point for distance between you and your target. Bring the tomahawk up, line it up with your target. You want to put your thumb on the back of the handle as I have here. You don't want to wrap your thumb around it. You want to keep your thumb on the back side, the side that you're looking at. Draw it back, and then take 1 step forward with your left foot as you throw the tomahawk. Now, if the top of your tomahawk is hitting your target and it's not sticking in, you want to take a step closer. Now, if the bottom of your tomahawk or your handle is hitting the target and it's not sticking in, you want to take a step back. Remember, it's got to rotate clockwise as it gets closer and closer to the target. Now, if it comes loose, don't worry. They're made to be this way so you don't break your handle. So, you know, these will come all the way out. But you always want to make sure it's good and tight. You take it, beat it up against there, and it's good and tight, and it doesn't wobble. Stuck it. Yeah. Got it again. Well, hey, I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial on how to throw a tomahawk the proper way. Thanks for watching.